designing a project, we're always trying to work with indigenous materials, maintenance-free materials. What's the color of the tree bark? What are the natural stone formations? So it's bring that idea of the natural environment to the home. That makes the home feel at one with where it is. And we call it Art House 2.0 because we designed this with a gallery-like feeling in mind. And we've got the balance of art with the balance of the green and nature and the views. So when we're looking for a window company, I'm looking for expansive windows, and I'm looking for this floor-to-ceiling effect, and I've got these high spaces. And the Western Window Systems units that we had custom designed and worked so well for the concepts that we were trying to create. The ability for us to work with one manufacturer to create all of these different elements was really crucial. One of the things that I really like about the Western Window Systems multi-slide units and the door units is that we have those thin sight lines and that the hardware is so unobtrusive and that it actually fits right in to the profile. It's just really great to be able to maintain that integrity around the entire glazed opening. The tiled floors, the big expanses of the Western Window System windows, the really tall glass skylights that punctuate spaces. It just feels like a very relaxed, open, and cheerful place to live.